Hi guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use the animalization effect on Higgsfield AI. And Higgsfield AI is a hub for the best AI visual effects. Now let me show you what the animalization effect looks like. So the person just turns into an animal. I mean, it won't be as bad as the um Twilight series. And you can create your own Twilight series with this particular effect. So all you have to do is to sign up or sign in with this effect with this website higgsfield.ai. Click on visual effects, then scroll to normalization here. Then once you're done, click on it. You'll be brought to a page like this. Click on if you want to generate any of these ones exactly, just click on them. And but if you want a different animal, like there is no horse here, but if you want to do that, just click on generate. So let's assume you want to change it to a horse. Just click here to upload your document, your image here, and then you can also put your prompt here. So let's assume is you want to change into a horse, or you want that character to change into a horse. You can now input it and describe what you want here. And then our yes, this model uses, it gives you the model that will be best for it. So this uses 2.1, and the resolution is 1080p, and duration is also 5 seconds. So you can also switch this, and it will take a credit cost of 10, but you can see it's in the premium version. And but if you are using the free version, you can select or choose either this model, or you can choose the Higgsfield Lite. You can just choose one that has no premium mark on it. So which is there are three: 2.2 minimax low, 0 2 fast, and then Higgsfield Lite. I prefer this Higgsfield Lite because it's the fastest to me. But yes, it's the fastest to me. But if you want longer generation, 6 to 10 seconds, but it will be of lower resolution, you can go for this. But 3 to 5 seconds of 720p resolution, you can go for this. So once you're done, just click on generate, and then after about few minutes, you will have yours generated. Let me see, this is one I generated earlier. Let me see what I did. So this is amazing. So you can generate something as clear and as good as this with Higgsfield AI. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Please subscribe to the channel for more, as we're actively trying to grow the channel. Thank you very much, and do have a great day, guys.